Alright, guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world. So, today we're gonna make a Ginataang Kalabasa with green beans, and then we're gonna add chicken breast on it. Alright, please join me cooking today. Alright, guys, so you're gonna chop our ingredients here. Just garlic. Alright, that's our chopped garlic. That's onion. Basically, I just add a little bit ginger. Alright, guys. So ginger here. Then we're gonna cut up the green beans. So we're gonna divide into two, I think. So cut in the edges, both sides. Alright. Then cut into the middle. Ta-da-da. Hope you are enjoying watching my mini cooking vlog. So wherever you are in the world, please don't forget to subscribe and leave comments, and then I can try to reply, and then don't forget to put where you're from, and then the big helps to grow my channel and make me more inspired to do more videos, guys. And then we have our squash, so just cut half this one and then try to fill in here. Alright, guys. Now we're gonna cut into cubes. Alright, it's not really small, just enough to cook this one. Once again, thank you very much for your support, and then please don't forget to hit the bell button notification, then every time you get my new video you guys can easily determine. Thank you very much once again. So now our vegetable is completely ready. Now, guys, we have our chicken. So this is basically chicken breast cubes. Now we're gonna heat it up, our pan, and we're gonna start sauteing our chicken. So basically I will just start sauteing the chicken to make it like golden brown. Now our pan is almost ready, so we're gonna add the oil. Put the oil now, and we're gonna drop the chicken cubes. Basically I just want to stir this one, and then I will take it out. So I just want to make it release the flavor of the chicken. Then at in the same pan we're gonna use for sauteing all the vegetable and all the ingredients here. So yeah, here I add some lemon pepper, spice blend on it. Okay, I will. You can see that golden brown. Then the same pan, like I said, we're gonna use this one for our sauteing all the garlic and the ginger in here, and then we're gonna put back later when see that beautiful golden brown. And okay, so we're gonna take off this one and we'll put back later. Alright guys, now we have our garlic. And then we're gonna add this one. Okay, let's saute this one, and we're gonna add our remaining ingredients. Right. So this thing. Now I'm adding back the chicken. Then we saute. Add the pepper. Saute again. And then I'm gonna add the coconut cream. Okay, this is the coconut cream. And chili here. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so can simmer for like about 6 minutes, enough that our big sibol will cook. So basically we don't want to overcook our pumpkin. Alright, so we're gonna simmer it and then we're gonna add seasoning to it. Alright, I'm just putting lid to so simmer it guys. So I have my pak choy here, pak choy. So I'm going to add this one at the end. So this is only optional guys. If you want to add, then you can do it. Otherwise I will can now we're gonna add season on it, and we're gonna siguro salt, and then we're gonna add chili flakes. I want like little bit spicy on my ginataan. All right, here got chili flakes. Alright, here's our clean pak choy. Now I'm going to taste what's gonna be the taste of our Ginataang Kalabasa with green beans and chicken. Gonna try it. You're gonna taste it. Oh yeah. Very nice. Wonderful. Very nice. We can we have some rice now. So yeah, there's something missing here. Only the rice. So now I'm going to add the pak soy. So like I said, this is optional. You want to add, then you can add. Otherwise, it's up to you guys. All right. Now I'm going to plate it. Then I'm gonna eat soon. All right, guys. Now we're going to plate our finishing ginataan kalabasa. Right, guys. So wonderful. Basically, I'm the one only doing the video. So look at that. There's our homemade ginataan kalabasa. Alright guys, hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy watching my live, my sorry, my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave comments, and then I can reply wherever you are. Then put your place where you guys belong, and then yeah. Alright guys, this is our ginataan kalabasa. Thank you very much for watching. Kain na tayo! Bye-bye!